Hello everyone, welcome to Gruhini's World. Wish you all a very happy Rama Navami. In today's video, I am going to show two special dishes, Vadapappu and Panakam, that are made for Rama Navami. In all our festivals, usually we prepare traditional dishes like Bellam, Pulihora and Daddojanam. I have already posted detailed videos for these three traditional dishes, so I am going to give the links in the description as well as in the video cards for your convenience. Okay friends, let's start our celebration. Okay friends, thank you for watching the video. If you like the recipes, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel. Also, please provide your valuable feedback in the comment section below. Bye.